Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Acura TL key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, including any new ones, and have them ready inside your vehicle. It's crucial to ensure your car's battery is in good condition before starting, as a low battery can interrupt the programming sequence. This guide will walk you through the steps, making the process straightforward and easy to follow for most Acura TL models. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, sit in the driver's seat with all doors securely closed. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Within 5 seconds, press the lock button on your first key fob. You should hear the door lock cycle, indicating the car has entered programming mode. This quick action is essential to initiate the learning sequence for your remote. Now, for any additional key fobs you wish to program, repeat the process. Within 5 seconds of pressing the lock button on the previous fob, press the lock button on the next one. Each time you press a lock button, the door locks will cycle again, confirming that the car has registered that specific remote. Continue this for all your key fobs, ensuring you stay within the 5-second window between each press. Once all your key fobs have been programmed, turn the ignition key to the OFF position and remove it. This action will exit the programming mode. Now, take a moment to test each key fob individually to ensure they all lock and unlock the doors correctly. If any fob isn't working, you might need to repeat the entire process. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed on the go.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.